Just do it. Just do it. Just go. Just go. Just go. Just go. Someone's behind me, right? Fingerprints always mean something bad. Look at this. It's gonna be handed. Court, you. Get out of the house. Get out. She gonna spawn behind me. Grab me by the neck. Leave. Come through. Okay. Whoa, 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 she's fast! Oh my God! Been running for 30 minutes and I ain't make no progress. This Dad stands up, leave the room and don't step on his carpets. Open his door. Hey, okay, so look. Now I'm behind you.